Right, here's just a quick update on the CR. It's still in the same state as when I last done a video, but I picked up this other 84 CR for some parts, as it had this pro circuit pipe, which is in good nick. The only bad thing is, which I didn't realise when I bought it, is that it's actually off an 85. So I'm gonna have to get this bit cut, as it just wants to go around like that to fit onto the manifold. But apart from that, the rest of the shape is spot on. So what else does it? There's a silencer which I'll clean up, and I've got the front brake system. So once I finish with this one, I'm just going to put it on eBay. It's in quite good condition, really. And that's an 85 RM 250. Well, that's a mate's bike that's going to be getting started on after Christmas. So yeah, that's it anyways. I'll be doing, hopefully start carrying on with it after Christmas.